Shucking Oysters, a step-by-step guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, shuck oysters. This phrase is not just about the words, but also about the culture and practice behind it. So, let's get started and explore what it means to shuck oysters. Shuck is a verb that means to remove the outer covering of something. In the case of oysters, it refers to removing the hard shell to get to the soft, edible part inside. Oysters are a type of seafood, and shucking them is a common practice in many coastal regions. It's a skillful task that requires some technique. Oyster shucking is not just a culinary skill. It's a part of many coastal cultures. In places like the United States, Canada, and parts of Europe, there are even oyster shucking competitions. These events highlight the speed and skill of the shuckers. It's a practice that combines tradition, community, and cuisine. 1. Safety first. Always use a special oyster shucking knife and a protective glove. 2. Find the hinge. Locate the hinge of the oyster where the two shells meet. 3. Insert the knife. Carefully insert the knife into the hinge and twist gently to pop the shell open. 4. Cut the muscle. Slide the knife along the top shell to cut the muscle holding the shells together. 5. Remove the top shell. Lift the top shell off, being careful not to spill the oyster's liquid. 6. Clean and enjoy. Check for shell fragments. Then the oyster is ready to eat. In English, the phrase, shuck oysters, is sometimes used metaphorically. It can mean to reveal the truth or get to the heart of the matter, much like removing the hard shell to find the oyster inside. It's a phrase that evokes the idea of uncovering or discovering something valuable. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Shucking oysters is a fascinating topic that combines language, culture, and culinary art. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the stories and practices behind them. See you in the next video.